Hey, hello fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar and this is a little bit different. It's already 8:30 p.m. and I'm just now doing the update for today. Um I don't know, long story short, had to mow the lawn, had some garage sale stuff. Long story. Um but anyway, we just did not have the time to do the recap when it mattered. But I just thought, you know what? Let's do it now. We'll just jump in and do it now. So the big kind of the so the news for the day was we had a pretty good move today. And today was one of those days where I kind of wish I had just kept streaming and kept trading, because there were definitely a lot of opportunities that I kind of missed. I did take a couple more trades after stream. I took a couple more trades. We ended up on the take profit accounts. I can't really show this because the day's already reset to the next day, but we had like $550 profit on these 5 take profit trader accounts. And we'll say really like where we're at on those accounts. Hopefully a couple more days and we'll be at the buffer. Right now we need about 400, 500 and around $550 to go, to get those accounts across the buffer, which is kind of the objective. We're going to just keep taking it slow, and hopefully we'll get there. Maybe I doubt we'll get there tomorrow, but maybe early next week we can get there, which would be great. The Apex accounts, these 5 Apex accounts, I ended the day with like $130 profit, nothing crazy. On these Tradeify accounts, I ended the day at like 200 something dollars in profit. So as you can see, I'm actually in a trade right now on the Tradeify accounts right here. We are in a long and holding currently. Got my stop right here. I'm going to try to just, my target is all the way up here at the 495s. I mean, this thing looks very bullish. I'm just going to try to ride it. I'm going to try to trail my stop a little bit and see if we can't get a really nice move in the overnight session. And we'll just see what happens. But yeah, right now, in this long at 402 and trying to wait, see if we can't get it. I might take one off at the 460s. We'll see. Not going to get too greedy. Take whatever, but man, what a nice move today. We just had a slow, steady grind higher. Right here around 3 o'clock, we did pull back a little bit, but then just right back up. And then we had Google earnings. And just looking very bullish on the daily chart. We have closed now above that important 350 or 380 level. So I don't know. This thing could really rip higher. So we'll just wait and see. But yeah, right now, hopefully, so a little bit on my Tradeify accounts. Let me just open this actually, and we can just look at this right now. But I think I'm actually getting close to another payout on the Tradeify accounts. This is where we're at on these Tradeify accounts. So you can see we're not quite below the 20% consistency rule. We'll look here. I think I still need to trade. We need to trade 2 more days. We need to trade 2 more days, and we need approximately 400 more, 350 or so more dollars. And then we can request a payout, which right now the next payout window would be May the 1st, which, if you're not aware, Tradeify just announced that they are now doing no more payout windows after May 1st. Yay, that's awesome. So looking forward to that. I was actually not aware. Apex actually changed their disc, or not Apex, sorry, Tradeify Tradeify changed their discount to 35% off. I guess they did it yesterday. I was not aware of it, but 35% off right now. So not a bad deal at all. I will say I really like Tradeify. Pretty smooth operation so far. And pretty smooth and easy. Getting payouts has been a breeze. And I've been actually doing really, really well with Tradeify. If I get to this next payout in 2 days, this will be my 5th payout with these accounts. And I think I'll be moved to a live account. I'm not sure, but I don't care if I'm not moved to a live account, but I guess if I am, we'll take it. Then what else do we have to cover? I think the Apex accounts, yeah, again, my goal on these Apex accounts, I'm kind of at a little bit of a I don't know how to say. I don't know what to do, actually. Leave a comment down below. I actually am curious what you guys think. We have a little bit of a dilemma, a little bit of a situation on our hands with these Tradeify accounts. Again, so the problem with not a problem, not Tradeify. I keep saying Tradeify and Apex. Sorry. I mean Apex. So these Apex accounts, these 5 Apex accounts, we are ready to request our 6th payout on these accounts. Which means on the 6th payout, the payout is uncapped. You can request as much as, basically you can request all the way down to $150,100. Anything above $150,100, you can request. Which means I could request $5,000 on each of these accounts, which is $25,000. That's a decent amount of money where I come from. So I'm kind of struggling with the fact that, I don't know, it's tempting me. It is tempting to just take out all the money. We have run these accounts really well. I've had these accounts for 10 months. We've taken 6 payouts. Like, that's one side of it. But then the other side of it, I hate to do that. I feel like it's kind of I don't know, it just feels a little counterproductive. Like, part of me, I want to just keep trading the accounts, make sure I have good risk management, and just take out, even if it's $1,000 every 8 days, that's still $5,000 every 8 days. Just take it slow and steady, not do anything stupid. My biggest fear, honestly, my biggest fear is just that I go do something stupid and I lose the accounts. But I will say, with QuantGuard, I've been using QuantGuard and it's been working great. With QuantGuard, it kind of prevents me from doing a tilt session and just blowing those accounts. So kind of feel like that, obviously I've been thinking about just lowering my risk parameters on those 5 accounts and then just keep trading them, 8 days at a time, request 500 or 1,000, whatever profits I made in the previous 8 days, and just withdraw it that way and just keep going. It's really nice to be able to request every 8 days. And it adds up. So I kind of want to keep that. I want to keep doing it. Right now I'm kind of conflicted, but the more I think about it, the more I'm like, let's just keep going slow and steady. Take those payouts every 8 days and just let it accumulate. And if we do it correctly, we'll make that 25,000. Might take 2 months, but then we'll still have a balance, hopefully. Obviously, anything can happen in trading. That's the thing. Anything can happen. We could have 5 red days in a row. It can happen, and I'm aware of that, and that's why I kind of am tempted just to take out everything, close the accounts. I have more Apex accounts, can reload those 5. But if I do that, it's going to go a while until I'm able to take more payouts or get to that payout threshold. Just because my other accounts are fresh, haven't really built up an account balance yet on them. So a lot to think about. Kind of contemplating a lot of different things are going through my mind, but let me know in the comments what you guys would do. I'm actually curious. I'll read them. Anyway, that's it, folks. Also, a reminder, Apex 90% sale is ending in approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes. 3 hours and 20 minutes. So in case you have been living under a rock and didn't know that. So anyway, that's it, guys. Again, thanks for supporting the channel, using my codes. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And we'll be live here in about 12 hours, 13 hours and change. We will be live. So take care. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and God bless.